In this video, we are going to build a Python program to calculate area of a triangle. So the area of a triangle is base multiplied by height divided by 2. So in this program, we will take input as base and height and then calculate area of triangle based on the equation. Let us start. So we start with writing our goal. That is nothing but this program is to calculate area of a triangle. What is going to be our input? Input is going to be two inputs. The first one is base, the second one is height. And what is going to be your output? The output is area of a triangle. Let us take an example. So input example, if we take the base equal to 32 for example, and the second one is height equal to 42. In this case, our output expectation would be what is our base? 32 multiplied by 42 divided by 2. So that is, let us take it. So 32 multiplied by 42 divided by 2. So 672 is our output expectation. Now let us write a program. The first step is to take the input. So we can call base equal to float because we can have the base in fraction. That is why we are converting in float. And we are taking the input enter base. Height equal to, similarly we are taking another input enter height. Now we are going to apply the equation. The equation is area of a triangle equal to base multiplied by height divided by 2. Now here one important learning is, because Python does PEMDAS the way we understand, the multiplication is done before. That is why we do not need to do parenthesis. We can do it, that is optional, because base multiplied by height is done first. For readability purpose, it would be good if we can do parenthesis around base multiplied by height, because then it is more readable. The next is we are going to print. Because we are printing a variable, the format is required F double quotes and then area of a triangle equal to, we are going to copy this and paste it, and we need to do curly brackets because we are printing variable for base equal to, and we are going to get the base and height equal to height. So now our program is complete. Let us run it. So base is, we tried with a simple example, and height is 42. Then the area of triangle is 672. We can try another example which we can easily calculate. If the value is 10 divided and height is 5, then our expectation would be 25. Thank you.